Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the motherboard model number on your PC, your laptop or your computer. Now the very first step you need to do if you want to do this is come to your system and come to this search area of your system and type system information. Once you type system information, make sure you're on system summary. Now look down here, you will see baseboard manufacturer, which is HP, and baseboard product, which is, you can see 8368 or something. Now baseboard version, which is that 2.68. All right, so these are the basic information about your motherboard. And another way you can find this, another way you can locate this on your system is by going to the search area of your system and typing CMD or command. Once you type CMD or command, come over here and click on run as administrator and say yes. This window comes up. Now we're going to use a command which I'm going to leave in the description below this video. Now this is the command that we're going to use. All right. For those of you that want the command, I will put it in the description below this video. You can copy it and paste it in your command prompt, and once you tap enter on your keyboard, it's going to bring out your motherboard model number and information. Now click on enter. Once you click on enter, you guys can see that manufacturer HP, product version 32, the same information that we saw here is the same information that you're seeing over here. You can also do this by typing PowerShell. You can also use PowerShell on your Windows as well, but command prompt is quite easy. So this is quite the easiest way you can find the motherboard model number and information on your laptop and also on your PC, right? So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And my name is Ken Kinsley. If you're watching my video for the first time, that is actually what I want to share with you guys in this video.